Step back in time and experience the enchanting city of Lincoln at the IQ Pavilions. Located in the heart of the bustling Ruston Way area, IQ Pavilions offers a range of fully furnished private studios, shared apartments, and en-suite rooms to choose from. Each room is well furnished and comes with a small double bed, spacious workspace, wardrobe, private shower, and plenty of storage options. And whether you're looking to hit the books or socialize with your flatmates, the living areas and kitchens are perfect for both. After a hard day of studying, head over to our spacious lounge and unwind with your mates. Plus, take care of your clothes with the on-site laundry system and stream your favorite shows with free Wi-Fi, because all work and no play is no fun at all. With the University of Lincoln less than 5 minutes away and Bishop Grosseteste University only a 10-minute drive away, it's one of the most prime locations for any student to live in. On sunny days, join a boat trip on the Brayford Bell or rent a bike and cycle along the waterways. And when you're hungry, head to Wagamama Lincoln for the best Japanese cuisine in town. Make Britain your own at IQ Pavilions in Lincoln. Book an unforgettable stay today with amberstudent.com.